Wow, beautiful brush pen color. I will use it in this video. Hey little kids, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a new video for you. Today I will learn you how to draw a beautiful window. I am drawing the window in a very easy way. Follow my every steps and try to draw with me. I complete to draw the window. Now let's start to color it. First one I am using red color. Red color, red color, where are you? Here I am, here I am. How do you do? Red color. Here I am using light green color. Color, which color do you want? I want light green color. Here I am using black color. Color, which color do you want? I want black color. Let's use the deep pink color. Deep pink color, where are you? Here I am, here I am. How do you do? This is deep pink color. Now I'm using light blue color. Light blue color, where are you? Here I am, here I am. How do you do? This is light blue color. And the last one I'm using deep blue color. Deep blue color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? This is deep blue color. Wow, the window is looking so beautiful and this is very easy to draw. You should also try to draw it, and thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.